We're doing a dilation of 1/2 centered at a point that's not the origin, which means we have to have a picture because we cannot do one of these on the picture. Our line equation solve for y, so we can either put it into y equals on the calculator and get our points from there. I'm going to start at the y-intercept of -1, and then my slope is telling me to go up 3, right 1 to get some more points. And again, you can go the other way, which is down 3, left 1. So there's my line. My center of dilation is 4, 1. Which is right there. Now, this is the least common of these problems because it's centered at a point that's not on the line. So I have to think back to what we did in the previous unit where we did dilations that were centered all over the place. And the best thing to do is to find the slope from the center, that means start at the x, to any point on the line. And I'm going to write it down. So I'm going to go to the closest point to make my life a little easier. So I'm going up 1, left 3. So I'm going up 1, left 3. Again, remember, make sure you start at the x. And the dilation is supposed to be 1/2. So it's supposed to get half as big. Now what's going to happen sometimes is I'm going to multiply these by 1/2. It's going to give me a fraction on this one right here. Since it's going to give me a fraction there, I don't like that. So I'm actually going to get rid of this, and I'm going to do a different point. So I'm going to go to a different point on the line, and hopefully I get even numbers. So if I go to that one, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going up 4, and then I'm going left 2. Now this I like better because when I multiply these by 1/2, I get up 2, and I get left 1. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up 2, left 1. That's going to give me where that specific point should move. So up 2, left 1, meaning that this point right here would move right there. Now I need to just figure out what this line looks like. Remember, we said before that no matter what kind of dilation you do, the slope always stays the same. The slope is always the same, meaning my slope is still 3/1. So I'm going to take this new point that I just got, and I'm going to go up 3, right 1 to get my new line. So it's going like that. I'm really interested in the y-intercept because that'll let me get the equation of the line. So I'm going to go ahead and go the other way, which is down 3, left 1, until I get the y-intercept so I can make an equation. So here's my new line. It should be parallel to that old line, and it is. It has a y-intercept of -6. That's what I was looking for. So my new equation is going to be not 1/2 x, sorry. 3/1 x minus 6. Confusing, a little bit, but basically leave the slope the same, move one of the points in the line, and then plot a new line. There's some more examples down farther that you can try out to make sure you know how to do this.